Well, guten Tag, willkommen in Josh's kitchen.
I'm keen on a feed.
Today we're going to be doing some baking. Today we'll be making some lemonade scones. And all you're going to need is some thickened cream, some self-raising flour, half teaspoon of salt, and some lemonade. So let's get baking. So you're going to need about 6 of these half cups. How good are my hands looking? Get it into here in the strainer. And it's going to give it a good old one of these. And about 300 mils of thickened cream. Ugh. And about 300 mils of lemonade. Ugh. And you give it a bloody stir. Jeez. You give your cats a pat. You put a bit of flour on your chopping board and then you get a big chunk of this delicious dough. Flatten it out because we're going to be using a rolling pin. Just get it up in there. You get your rolling pin out, give it a good old roll, try to keep it all together. You want to get it till about 1.5 thickness of dough before we start making some balls.
No.
So if it's looking like this flat, you're doing something good. Now, in my kitchen, I don't really have a cookie cutter because I do a lot of making, not baking. So what we're going to use instead of it is, we're going to use this to cut our circle instead. Kind of like they're so like flapjacks, pikelets if you will. Now if you're looking like this, we've still got heaps of dough left. Grab your rolly pin, flatten it out, and we'll get some more. Now, it looks like these are ready to go in the old oven. And I've got an extra 3 for good measure. Now it's been about bloody 15 minutes. That's what the first batch is looking like. Now we're going to do the old taste test. Cut it in half, chuck some jam on one side, chuck your thickened cream on the other. Some people like to just have margarine or butter, whatever on it. I like it this way. Let's give it a go. Tasted pretty damn good. Now if you like that one, like and subscribe right now, and you and I will chat again very soon.
'Cause I'm keen on some scones.